Take a ride in the 2018 Nissan Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.